Setbacks. We all face them. Maybe you've had a dream fall apart, lost your motivation, or just felt like life knocked you flat on your back. Resilience helps us get through the storm, but bouncing back is about rediscovering your spark and building momentum again. And that's what today's episode is all about. I'm going to share 10 powerful ways you can rise after your setbacks, regain your confidence, and move forward with fresh energy and hope. Before we start, I want to welcome you again to my channel. I am Elma Joy, a working professional, life coach, and content creator in San Diego, California. And whether you're tuning in on your morning walk, during your commute, or curled up at home, I'm so glad that you're here. All right, let's cozy up, breathe, and dive in. Tip 1. Allow yourself to reset. The first step after a setback isn't to charge forward, it's to pause. Think about athletes after an injury. They don't just sprint right back onto the field. They rest, recover, and rebuild. You deserve the same permission. Resetting might mean a weekend off social media, saying no to extra commitments, or simply allowing yourself to breathe without guilt. Giving yourself a reset creates space for healing, and that space becomes the ground you'll grow from. Tip 2. Start small again. Momentum doesn't return overnight, and that's okay. Start small. If you've been stuck creatively, try writing one paragraph. If exercise feels overwhelming, take a 5-minute walk. Small steps may not feel impressive in the moment, but they're powerful because they break inertia. And momentum loves movement. Once you get rolling, even with tiny actions, bigger steps feel less intimidating. Tip 3. Celebrate micro wins. After a setback, your confidence may feel shaky. That's why it's so important to celebrate every little win. Drank water today? That's a win. Sent one email you've been avoiding? That's a win. Each small victory is proof that you're moving forward. Write them down, track them on a calendar, or even give yourself a sticker like a kid. Don't underestimate how much confidence can grow from simply noticing progress. Tip 4. Reconnect with your why. Sometimes we lose momentum because we've lost touch with our deeper purpose. Ask yourself, why did I begin this journey in the first place? A teacher who feels buried under grading papers can reconnect with their why by remembering they're not just grading, they're shaping lives. Your why is your anchor. Write down the top 3 reasons for pursuing your goals and keep them visible. When you remember your why, the how feels a lot more doable. Tip 5. Declutter your space. Your physical space often mirrors your mental space. After setbacks, it's easy for clutter to pile up, and with that, a sense of heaviness. Decluttering even one small area can create a surprising shift in energy. Clear your desk, organize your nightstand, or tidy a kitchen counter. That little pocket of order becomes a symbol that you are capable of creating change and often sparks the motivation to keep going. Tip 6. Surround yourself with energy. Energy is contagious. When you've been knocked down, the people and environments around you matter more than ever. Spend time with people who lift you up, even if it's just one encouraging friend. And if supportive people aren't nearby, lean on uplifting podcasts, books, or videos like this podcast. Put yourself in places where positivity and growth are the norm. You'll absorb that energy and it will fuel your bounce back. Tip 7. Create a bounce back playlist. Music is such a powerful motivator. Just as we talked before about a resilience playlist, I want you to create a bounce back playlist filled with songs that make you feel unstoppable. The songs that make you dance in your kitchen or that remind you of your strength. Keep it ready for the mornings when you feel sluggish or the nights when you need a pick-me-up. Music shifts your energy instantly. Tip 8. Rebuild routines slowly. It's tempting to go all in at once when you feel ready to restart. But after setbacks, easing in is smarter. Instead of trying to overhaul everything at once, rebuild your routines gently. Maybe this week you focus only on consistent sleep. Next week you add morning movement. The next week after that, meal prepping. Layering routines step by step prevents overwhelm and creates sustainable momentum. Tip 9. Borrow confidence from the past. When you doubt yourself, look back on times you've already overcome. Think of the obstacles you've faced and how you got through them. Write down 3 challenges you survived and the strengths you used. That list becomes evidence that you've done hard things before and you can do them again. Borrow confidence from your past self until your present self feels strong enough to stand tall again. Tip 10. Visualize your comeback. Finally, take time to imagine your future self thriving. Olympic athletes use visualization to prepare for success, and you can too. Close your eyes and picture what life looks like in 6 months from now. If you stay consistent, what you're wearing, who's around you, and what you're celebrating. visualization creates hope and direction, and when your brain sees it as possible, your heart feels motivated to go after it. Bouncing back after setbacks doesn't happen in one big leap. It's a series of small, intentional steps that help you rebuild momentum. Today, we talked about 10 of those steps. 1. Allow yourself to reset. 2. Start small again. 3. Celebrate micro wins. 4. Reconnect with your why. 5. Declutter your space. 6. Surround yourself with energy. 7. Create a bounce back playlist. 8. Rebuild routines slowly. 9. Borrow confidence from your past. And 10. Visualize your comeback. Remember, setbacks don't define you. They prepare you. Every day you choose to take one small action, you're already writing your comeback story. So keep going because your next chapter is waiting. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more helpful and cozy content. Thanks for being here, friend. Take care and remember, you are enough.